Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Chrysler Voyager LX. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a 9-speed shiftable O transmission. This Chrysler has less than 64,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.